Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Ashtalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. Good morning to everyone. Yes. What we are going on now? We are talking about tenses. Yes, children. We are talking about tenses. Already we have learned some tenses. What are the tenses? What are the tenses, children? Past tense, present tense, future tense. Yes. We have learned about that. And we have learned about simple present, simple past and simple future. Yes, children. Simple present means what? The ideas, the habits, whatever the habits are there, everyday, whatever we are doing, that are called as present. Simple present. And simple past what? Which is already happened, which is already finished. And coming to the simple future, it is what it is going to be done. Going to be done. These three we have learnt. Today we are going to learn about present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. Understood, children? Today we are going to learn about present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. First, what is present continuous? What is the present continuous? Present continuous. It describes the actions that are going on right now. Going on right now. What it is? Now what it is going on. Yes, that are called as Yes, present continuous. What is the rule of this, children? See here. Subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of verb plus object. Here say I am eating. I am eating idli. I am eating idli. Here I is a subject. Am plus ing form eating. See it, children? Eat is a base verb. Ate is a past form of verb. Eating is the ing form of verb. And next one is eaten or eaten. It comes under what? Present plus past participle. Past participle. Understood, children? See here, subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of verb plus object. Example I said now, I am eating idlis. I am eating idlis. Now here I is a subject, am is the helping verb. Ing form of verb is what? Eating, and object is idli. Understood, children? This is about the present continuous. What is present continuous, children? Describes action that are going on right now. Present continuous is what? It describes the action which is going on right now. Which is going on right now. I am eating idli. Here, I am eating idli. She is drinking milk. She is drinking milk. Or we can write, she is writing a book. She is a subject. Is a helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were. These are all auxiliary verbs. Okay, children. And plus ing form is drinking or writing an object. I said no. She is writing a book. She is the subject. Is the helping verb. And here writing is a ing form of verb. And a book is a object. Understood, children? This is about present continuous. What is present continuous? It describes an action which is going on right now. Understood, children? For example, she is writing a book. What is the rule, children? Subject plus is or am plus are plus ing form of verb plus object. Understood, everyone? I hope everyone have understood about present continuous. Now coming to the past continuous tense. See here, children. Past continuous. What is the past continuous rule? We will see first. What it is? Subject plus was or were. It is the past form of is or are. Plus ing form of verb. Plus object. Understood, children? Here, it describes the action which is done in this time. What is done in this time? Which has happened in this time. Means here say, Ramu was eating poha. Ramu was eating poha. Ramu was eating poha. Means what here? This time what they were doing? Yes, children, see here. Ramu was eating poha at this time. Okay, children. Means here, what is the past continuous? It describes the action which is done, which is finished. But in this time, it was done. In this time, it was done. See, when I went to their house, she was eating poha. I can tell. When I reached there, she was eating poha. Okay, children. When she was eating poha. Then here what it is? Subject plus was or were. Was or were means what? The past form we will write was or were. Plus ing form of verb. Plus object. Example, she was eating poha. I said you can write she was writing a book. She is writing a book here. I wrote here she was writing a book. Means she was doing that. Here she is doing now. She was doing that. Okay, children. And see here, she was writing a book. They were playing in the ground. They were playing in the ground. Okay, children. Means they were playing. Okay, they were playing. Understood, everyone? See here, present, past continuous. It describes the action which is going on not. Understood? Here what describes present continuous? Which is going on right now. Here past continuous which is done on this time or in this time. What was done yesterday or what was done in this time. Understood, children? This is about past continuous. What is the past continuous? It describes an action which is done in this time. At this time which is done is called as past continuous. What is the rule, children? Subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus object. See here, children, we have completed present continuous, past continuous. What is the difference between present and past continuous? Present continuous is that it describes the action that are going on right now. Here past continuous, it describes the action which is done at this time. Already finished. Yes, children, that we will tell. Okay, and coming to the present perfect. Here present perfect. First we will see the rule, children. Subject plus has or have plus past participle of verb plus object. What is the past participle? See here I said no. Eat, ate, eating, and here eaten. Eaten is the past participle of verb. Understood, children? Present perfect. It describes the action which starts in the past and continues till now. In the present. It starts in the past and continues in the present. Understood, children? See here. Present perfect is what? Which started in the past and continues till now. Means in the present. It is called as present perfect tense. She has or she have. She has just completed an omelette or she has just eaten an omelette. She has just eaten an omelette. Okay, children. She has eaten an idli. You can tell here. Eaten is the past participle of verb. Examples. Have you understood, children? She has just eaten her last omelette. You can tell. Okay, children. See, what is the present perfect tense? It describes an action which started in the past and continued till present. Understood, children? This is about the present perfect tense. See here, children. Now past perfect. What is the rule here? Subject had plus past participle of verb plus object. Here, what is the rule here? Subject plus had, H-A-D, had plus past participle of verb plus object. Understood, children? Now here, what is this past perfect? When we are using the past perfect here, it tells or it shows the two actions which is happened first. Means in the past, the two actions have done. But what is happened first? Understood, children? See here, what is the past perfect? It tells the two actions which is happened first in the past. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus past participle of verb plus object. Here, what it is telling? Here it tells that which two actions have done first. See here. I I had already finished my dinner when the guest arrived. Means what? I already finished my dinner. When the guest arrived, I have already finished. I had already finished my dinner when the guest arrived. This is the first one is the earlier sentence. Second one is the next second sentence. Yes, children. When they arrived, I finished my dinner. Before that only I have finished. Here it tells the past perfect tells in the past two actions have done. Which is done first and which is done second. Understood, children? Now we have observed this. What is the present continuous? It describes an action which is going right now. Past continuous, it describes an action which is already done. Yes, children? Which is already done at this time. What has done at this time it tells. Present perfect, it describes an action which started in the past and continues in the present. And here present perfect tells the two actions which happened in the past. It tells which action is done first or second in the past. Understood, children? This is about your tenses part. Present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. Understood, children? Here, see here. What is the rule of present continuous? Subject plus is or am plus or plus ing form of verb plus object. Coming to the past continuous, what is the rule? Subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus object. Coming to present perfect, subject plus has or have plus past participle of verb plus object. Next, past perfect tense. What is the rule? Subject plus had plus past participle of verb plus object. Understood, children? These are the four tenses today. What we have done? Present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect. Just I will tell you, see here. Present continuous. It describes an action which is done. Yes? Have you understood, children? See here. Present continuous. It describes the action which is going on right now. Present continuous, what it does? It describes an action right now which is going on. Next, past continuous. It describes action which is done at this time. Which is done at this time. And next, coming to present perfect. It describes an action which started in the past and continued in the present. Which started in the past and continued in the present. And coming to the past perfect. It tells when we are using the past perfect here, we are using the past perfect to declare the two sentences in the past, which is done in the past, and the two sentences when it is done, which is the first sentence and which is the second, means earlier done. Understood, children? This is past perfect tense. And you have followed the rule, no? By this we have completed our tenses part. Simple present we have completed, simple past, simple future, and here present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect tense. We have done 7 tenses. Understood, children, everyone? And remember it, understand it, and write the rules in your book. Everyone have understood this? I hope everyone have understood this.